Hi, I'm Lindsay Trofe, the founder and CEO of Immerse Games, creators of Tyto Online. I was working on my PhD in education when I started exploring the impact and opportunities available with educational video games, but I really didn't like what I saw was out there. A lot of games have kind of poor learning theory. They tend to be pop up multiple choice questions on top of overlaid gameplay that doesn't really work. Even when you found a great game, it tended to be fragmented learning experiences. You just could use it for maybe 30 minutes and you had to move on. So I really wanted to make a game that students could build and stay with over time. They could learn across subjects and get really deep in, and teachers could therefore more easily use it throughout the school year that had a strong learning approach. So that's why I started recruiting my co-founders and building Tyto Online. We first built focused on science, and this is what we created. Students create a character that represents themselves and they go into the game world where they're able to solve meaningful problems set in a context. So, for example, they might solve a food shortage by helping a councilman, a botanist, work through how to increase crop yield or save a sick seal while learning about microplastics, or even go into the Amazon rainforest and figure out why the ants are dying with our exciting zombie ant storyline. We've served over 40,000 students so far, and we have strong evidence it works. For example, a 12% increase in science and engineering practices. We see that 1 in 4 students complete extra learning beyond teacher assignments, and 55% report an increased STEM career interest. So now we're bringing the same approach to math, which is an area of high need right now. And it basically works the same way. We can set up meaningful problem based learning. So, for example, you could solve problems around urban heat island by investigating statistics. Or, like in our first piloted math storyline, help figure out why wombats are sick by shipping off their poop samples, making sure to send off enough poop samples. Exploring volume for the insulation required, exploring surface area. This type of approach lets students experience the why behind math with an open, visual, inquiry based approach that can powerfully improve math understanding and identity.